Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. This channel, we provide weekly updates on my TFSA portfolio. I originally maxed out my TFSA account with about $75,000 at the end of March 2021. At that time, I bought a bunch of high dividend covered call ETFs that mostly pay monthly dividends. And I'm just tracking that on a weekly, sometimes bi-weekly basis. Just showing the performance and the dividends and my buys and occasionally sells. But we're 11 weeks in, and the portfolio is performing quite well. So we'll go through each of the positions now, and let's get started. So I can tell you this past week, I did get a few more dividends that came in. HHL is a healthcare covered call ETF that paid $55.39, and DFN paid $95.60. What I did with that cash is I bought 7 more shares of HHL for $8.23 each, and then I had enough left over to also buy 1 more share of TD Bank for $87.32. So that's what happened this past week. Can also say that there is a few more dividends coming this week for June still. The 2 real estate investment trusts, INO.UN, which, as you may remember if you watched before, I actually sold out of, but I still owned it on the ex-dividend date, so I'm getting a dividend from that one. It's going to be paid June 15th, and also Smart Center's Real Estate Investment Trust is paying as well on June 15th. And then in June, I still have TXF left to give me a dividend. That one is paid quarterly, but they haven't announced it yet. They haven't declared the dividend. Looking back at the past ones, it usually is around about the 15th of June that they announce it, and then it gets paid out near the end of the month. So that one will be coming as well. Yeah, another cool thing I just noticed the last few days is that the web app of Wealthsimple Trade now, that has like a little line that kind of tracks along your portfolio and shows you the balance, and then also the amount that you put in, so you can see how things are performing rather than having to just kind of guess where the line lines up with on the dollar amount to access there. So yeah, look at the 3-month. Again, it was the end of March, so it hasn't been 3 months yet, but over the last 3 months, we're up $4,119.91, or about 6%. The last month, $1,306, or 2%. This past week, we went up $25, so basically 0%. And then on Friday, the 1-day return was $309. So yeah, things are doing all right. We'll go through each stock now. The banks I just bought into like 2 weeks ago or so, and yeah, they've kind of dropped off a little bit, but that's fine. They're going up in the long term, I'm sure. And we'll see. Bank of Montreal is down $9.28. Bank of Nova Scotia is down $10.92. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, the CIBC, is down $9.59. DFN, Dividend 15 Split Corp, is up $334.50, or 4%, 4.39%. HHL is up $287.98. The National Bank of Canada is down $16.28. The Royal Bank of Canada is down $2.32. Smart Centers were up $348.20. TD Bank is down $8.42. TXF, the tech giants covered call ETF, is up $646.14. ZWC is up $452.78. ZWE up $384.22. ZWK is up $529.13. ZWS is up $318.55, and ZWU is up $208.21. So overall, everything is up except for the banks, like I said, but they're just down a little bit over the last couple of weeks, but I'm not worried about that. One thing that I am thinking might happen is some of the banks are really reaching quite high dollar amounts per stock. So I'm thinking at some point they may do a split, which would be kind of cool. I haven't gone through that yet, but when you start looking at a stock that's $144, like the CIBC is, or some of the other ones, BMO is 126, Royal Bank 126. Some of those ones, I think they might eventually get to be so high that they're going to have to split the stock. So we'll see how that goes in the future. But yeah, that's just a short update for this past week. This was the end of week 11 in the portfolio, and like I said, a couple more dividends coming in this upcoming week, and then another one at the end of June, and then that'll be the end of June. I should show the my tracker, see where we're at for the month. Yeah, so for June so far, we're dividends of $398.86. So it's gonna be higher than May because we have that TXF, which is only paid quarterly, so every 3 months. But yeah, like I said, thanks for checking us out again. And if you like the content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave any comments you want to below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, guys, and have a great week.